The next question is like, what are the features that is now so far I have understood what is the Apex, when the developer should be using the Apex. Now the next thing is that, is there any features? Is there any features that are not supported by Apex? Is there any features that are not supported by the Apex? Let's see that. Features that are not supported by the Apex. So basically the first thing is the UI. You cannot implement a UI. You cannot implement a UI on the Apex, but you can show the error message. Apart from showing the error message, you cannot build the user interface like creating a page, right? So first name, last name, email, those UI part, you cannot do it in the Apex. You cannot do it the Apex. And the second thing is that whatever the Salesforce is providing the standard functionality, we cannot modify the standard functionality that is provided by the Salesforce. That means whatever the default functionality is there. Now Salesforce is already providing certain functionality. You cannot modify the standard functionalities that is provided by the Salesforce, but you can somehow stop executing that functionality, but you cannot change this. So like a Salesforce, we have an account object. We have account object. Now, whenever the account object is created, there is a backend logic. The Apex class is available on this account object, which is class name is also account. Now, you cannot implement another account class to modify this account class. You cannot modify this class. This is the functionality which is provided by the Salesforce. You cannot modify this, but you can stop executing certain functionalities. You cannot stop entire functionality, but you can stop only certain functionality, right? Or else if you want to execute the new functionality, you can implement a new functionality on top of the existing functionality, but you cannot make a changes to the Salesforce standard functionalities. And also you cannot create a temporary files. By using the Apex class, you cannot create any temporary files. Temporary files in a sense, like storing certain information, temporary file to store the attachment or some kind of a file and attachment. Those you cannot do it using the Apex. And multi-threading, like usually the multi-threading will be there in the JavaScript. So multi-threading cannot be done in the Apex, like calling the multiple classes, one class, another class, like calling multiple classes. So multi-threading is not available in the Apex. So these features cannot be supported by the Apex.